Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian. I am from Peru. Let me tell you about my daily routines and the things I like. On weekdays, I usually get up at 6:30 in the morning and I have breakfast with my family. Then I go to work and sometimes study in the afternoon. At night, I relax and listen to music. I love listening to rock and pop music and I like playing the guitar. I also like watching movies and going to the cinema with my friends on weekends. When it comes to food, I love pasta and I like eating salad, but I don't like eating spicy food and I hate drinking soda. I prefer water or juice. On Saturdays, I go out with my friends and then we eat at a restaurant or watch a movie. That is a little about me, my favorite things, or what I do every day. Thank you for listening.